Hello guys, I'm Mark T. Maravilloso of BSEE3A. For today's video, we're going to make a LED3 with a light dependent resistor or LDR. So here are the list of required materials. First is we need to have at least one light dependent resistor or LDR, light emitting diodes, resistors depending on the numbers of LDR and LED used, connecting wires, breadboard, Arduino microcontroller board, and lastly, power supply or a battery. Aside from these materials, we need also to prepare our schematic diagram to figure out our connections. As you can see in my schematic diagram, I use only one LDR with 20 kilo ohms resistor, and I use 20 LEDs with 300 ohms resistor each. What I did is I parallel the two LEDs and made 10 output connections from output pin number 2 to output pin number 11. After it, let's set up our connections on our breadboard. Now we will upload my code. My main code states that if sensor value is greater than 500, digital light pin line 1 is low, which means that the LEDs will turn off. Else digital light pin line 1 high if the sensor value is less than 500, it will turn off and it has a delay of 100. You can see that I declared 500 as the 100% of my sensor value since it is already difficult for my LDR to reach 600. So what I did is I just copy paste it and change the sensor value descending by 50 up to 0. So all we need is to verify and upload it. Upon uploading, the LEDs will light up. There it is. The code we made function as it is. Now it's time to incorporate our connections into LED3. I then prepared the LEDs and resistor I shortened their pins by cutting them and solder directly the resistor into the LED. So now we're going to connect our LED into our tree. So we have two colors of LED, the white one and the blue one. We will connect it alternately. So let's start. It's done. All we have to do is test it. Now we are going to connect our LED tree to the Arduino, which our code is uploaded. This way we can check if our connection is right. So let's connect that now. All LEDs will turn on as I cover this LDR. But before that, here is how I made the portable LDR. Back. So let's connect to the power bank. I will try to cover this LDR with black clothing to light up these two at the top. So here it is. All LEDs lights up. Now it's time to make our LED tree more presentable.
And there it is, our LED tree with LDR. I hope you have learned, and that would be all. Thank you.